Toys. Do you know that Thinkway Toys are out of this world?
Hey everybody, it's Tiffany from Thinkway Toys, and before I begin, don't forget to give this video a like, and please subscribe to Thinkway Toys, and don't forget to hit that bell. Whenever you ring that bell, it alerts you first every time we upload a new video, and when we have a giveaway. And today, we have a redo. As you can see, I have all of the Thinkway Toys from the Incredibles 2 line. Not all of them, were missing Edna, but she does not speak like the Parr family does. I don't know if you remember from our last video with Violet. Violet did not work. So Thinkway was kind enough to send me a new one. Usually what they'll do is they'll make you go back to the store, but since I purchased it from Toys R Us and Toys R Us is liquidating, I could not bring it back. So they made an exception. They just sent her over and we're gonna unbox her right now. Just to remind you guys, I'm going to have everybody speak to each other just to confirm that Violet does not work. I'm gonna do it with her force field shield and without.
It's showtime.
I need to go back to the crime scene. I need to go back.
Woohoo! Yeah!
Hello there. I'm Mr. Incredible.
My name is Dash. How's it going?
Please, call me Elastigirl. It's great to have you on our team.
No Violet. Here is Violet with the force field. This is the broken Violet. We're gonna test her out and see if she works. Let's turn everybody on again.
Time for you and me to catch a bad guy. Are you ready?
Woohoo! Yeah!
I'm a super, remember? Check this out.
Nobody's talking back with her. Let's see if we press Mr. Incredible.
Hello there. I'm Mr. Incredible.
My name is Dash. How's it going?
Please, call me Elastigirl. It's great to have you on our team.
Okay, everybody spoke except Violet. So now we're gonna switch it out. We're gonna put the new Violet in and we're going to have her speak one-on-one with each character because we couldn't enjoy that in our last video. So now let's open the new Violet. Just want to say thank you so much to Thinkway for sending me another one. So here she is. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Here she is, a new Violet. So this one doesn't have that little pull tab thing. It's already been removed. Let's put her in play mode.
Hi, my name's Violet.
And she starts right up. Let's just press this button right out the gate.
Hi, my name's Violet. It's nice to meet you. Please, call me Elastigirl.
Yay!
Mr. Incredible. Glad to have you on my team.
She works. But what about the other two people? Why aren't you talking? All right, let's put her on her stand and let's get her closer. So this one is out. You're out. You don't work.
Hi, my name's Violet. Hi, my name's Violet. It's nice to meet you. Please, call me Elastigirl.
Name's Mr. Incredible. Glad to have you on my team.
I'm the Dash.
Yay, she works!
I'll hold off the bad guys. You go get help.
It's showtime.
Where does that guy think he's going? Got him!
I love fighting crime with my family.
Now I'm just gonna have them each speak with Violet one at a time. So I had left Dash on and Violet.
Hey, Dash.
Hey, Violet.
Yay, it works. This is great.
Yeah.
Dashiell Robert Parr, you were in my bedroom.
What? No, I wasn't. You can't prove anything.
Which is exactly what a guilty person would say.
You'll never catch me. I'm the Dash.
And that's the force field.
Oh, ow.
You're caught.
No fair.
Oh, wow. I love how they're using their powers now, but it's like as like sibling rivalry. It's really, really, really awesome. Okay, now let's turn on Jack Jack and we'll leave on Violet. Now, usually you would keep them in like a circle, but because I don't have like a 360-degree camera or something like that, I am putting them like this for now. Okay.
Hi, Jack Jack.
Let's have Jack Jack talk.
Look at you. Aren't you adorable? Hi, Jack Jack. Look at you. Aren't you adorable?
There he goes.
Hey, that's really cool. Just stay where I can see you. Stay. Mom, Dad, Jack Jack's doing that flying thing again. Come on, Jack Jack. Let's see one of your powers. Yay, Jack Jack! And now you get a cookie. Look at you.
Hello there.
Aren't you
I'm
adorable?
Mr. Incredible. How can I help?
Now we're going to have Mr. Incredible talk to Violet.
Sounds like it's time to save the day.
For some reason, Mr. Incredible and Violet don't work together. Let's try Elastigirl.
Yeah.
Hi there. I'm Elastigirl. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, sweetie.
Cute.
Yeah.
I'll hold off the bad guys. You go get help.
You know, you're great at hero work.
Thanks, Mom.
Now let's turn on Mr. Incredible and see if they can all talk to each other. Did Mr. Incredible's batteries run out?
Name's Mr. Incredible. Glad to have you on my team. Hello there. I'm Mr. Incredible.
Hi, my name's Violet. It's nice to meet you.
Please, call me Elastigirl. It's great to have you on our team.
Sound like a bad guy to me. What do you say? Up for some hero work?
It's great to be put to the test again. Are you ready?
We got a city to save. Let's go.
All right, now let's turn off Elastigirl and see if they'll continue talking to each other.
Well, hello, Violet.
Oh, hi, Dad.
Wow, that's really interesting.
Yeah.
Oh, hi, Dad.
Well, hello, Violet.
This is fun. What should we do now?
What do you say we go catch ourselves some bad guys?
That is so cool. I wonder why it wouldn't reset like that.
Jewelry store heist? Oh, this should be fun. You with me?
I'm a super, remember?
It's showtime.
So awesome.
Jack Jack, you have powers?
Whoa. Bob?
Ha ha ha! That's my boy!
So cool. So now everybody works. Now I'm going to show you what all of them can do as far as their movements, how poseable they are, and some of them even have some special features like Mr. Incredible, Elastigirl, and Baby Jack Jack. And let's take a look at Violet first. So Violet, she is pretty poseable. She could bend her legs, bend her arms. She comes with her own force field. Now you could take this off. You don't have to have it on when she's speaking. And she is really, really, really cool. She says a bunch of different phrases, and she does speak with her family members. Now, if you want to hear her speak, you just...
My name's Violet.
you just...
Hi, my name's Violet.
Well, hello, Violet.
Nice to meet you.
Please,
Oh.
call me Elastigirl.
Name's Mr. Incredible.
Now she
Glad to
can't
have
stop
you on my
talking.
team.
So there are different ways to play with her. You can pose her, you could use her force field, or she could just speak on her own if you don't want to get the other ones.
How am I? Oh, I'm super.
She's really, really, really cool. My favorite one is Jack Jack. Jack Jack is pretty poseable. He is wearing his cute little baby super suit that Miss Edna Mode made for him. You can bend his arms, bend his legs, and what's really, really cool is that you can shake him from side to side, and that starts up his exploding Jack Jack mode. He's really, really cute. His hair is like a little bendy, and he says a bunch of phrases too. This is my favorite though. Dash is super poseable. Really, really poseable. And he says a lot of fun things.
Want to see how fast I can run around the city? And I'm back.
He's a really, really, really poseable figure. Okay, here we have Mr. Incredible. He's really, really awesome, okay? You turn him on, and not only can he talk and then talk to his family members, but every time you move his arm, kick his leg, or twist his waist, he says something really awesome. So let's turn him on.
Okay, here's what we'll do. I'll go for the thief. You stop the getaway car.
Okay, so let's twist first. It's like very like 90s action figure. It's really cool. Now, chop. And kick. So awesome. I love this figure because of just those movements. So finally we have Elastigirl. Now Elastigirl is super awesome. She has super stretchy arms. And she is very, very, very poseable. The only thing that I'm kind of upset about is that maybe there should have been like some sounds coinciding with her stretchy arms. Because you could hear that clicking. But we got nothing.
You know, you're great at hero work. I'm really proud of you.
Thank you. I appreciate it. She's really awesome. She has like one battery in each leg. Her head twists from side to side. So super stretchy. Her legs bend. Her feet move. She's super cool. Now let's put them all in a circle like the instructions suggest.
Uh-oh, I see smoke and fire. Here, this'll keep us safe.
Don't worry, I can handle it. And
Hold on! The dash will save you!
That was amazing. We make a great team.
Awesome.
sounds like it's time to save the day.
Woohoo! Yeah!
What can I do? I'm here to help.
I better put up a force field just in case.
Oh yeah, we are back in business.
I'm here to help.
My name is
I better
Dash.
put up a force field just in case.
They all come with their own translucent stand. It's a clear stand. It's a very, very, very sturdy stand that goes inside the base. See how it holds them up? Some by the waist, some, well, mainly all of them by the waist, actually. This is such a wonderful, wonderful collection of dolls. If you were really, really weary about buying them because of what happened to me, don't be. I'm telling you, Thinkway Toys is amazing quality. They have been since I remember from Toy Story, and I just love them so happy to have them in our collection, and we will continue playing with them. You're going to see them in future videos in some funny situations, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Tubi Toys. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first one every time we post a video. Thanks for watching, guys. Have an incredible day.
Yeah, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah.